Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we have here in the driveway, this pressure washer is back in here. If you guys remember, I replaced the muffler on it. He came back and said now it's not running. Now, I tried to blame it on me working on the muffler, but obviously that is not the case. So what I ended up doing is that I had to confirm fuel flow. And believe it or not, when I'm just putting the tripod up, when I ended up pulling the carbo bowl out, I'm getting zero gas. Zero gas. So now what I'm thinking is either A, something clogged up the carburetor, or, okay, we're getting fuel flow. Look at that. Yeah, this carburetor's clogged. We're getting gas. So I originally thought maybe that because the muffler got hot, that maybe the machine got hot and clogged up itself. And that is not the case. For some reason, something got lodged in the carburetor and is causing it to... Let's see if we have fuel flow. Yay! We have fuel flow. So, I thought the fuel line collapsed to 110%, or he toasted the pump. Because a lot of people don't know you're supposed to change the oil on the pump or check it. And that's the biggest cause of death of pressure washer pumps. But thank God everything is okay. And he is good to go. So that was a lot easier than I thought. I wonder if he had shit gas in there. I wouldn't be surprised. Because people are cheap. And they just don't want to get rid of gas. Put it in your car. Alright. Let's see. We have a runner now. Whoa. And this machine is from 2014. It says it's only 2 years old. Well, that's bullshit. See? 05/20 of 2014. I'm sorry. So this January, February, March, April, May 2nd of 2014 is that fuel line. So remember, when you run a pressure washer, you always want to make sure you have water running. You have it on start. Let's see if she starts. Perfect. So let me disconnect my hose. Alright guys, see, I'm just getting pressure out of the hose. So what you're seeing here is that I blew compressed air through. I basically kind of cheated. Now, when you do compressed air, you make sure you don't want to blow out the needle or the seed. So you just do a light burst. There is no need to disassemble this carburetor. Zip, zun, zilch. Be careful. So, yeah, we're going to put this back together. I'm going to call this guy up. Tell him he's good to go. Alright? So, yeah. Mr. Easy Money. I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.